In this video, I'm going to show you a quick, simple, and easy free method to create faceless YouTube videos that can get you tens of thousands, if not millions of views. Check out these videos right here. They're getting millions of views. And all of these is some instrumental music playing in the background and on repeat. So let me play some of it for you. According to Social Blade, this channel makes about $11,000 to $186,000 per month, and its estimated yearly earnings is around 139 to 2.2 million, which is quite good for a side hustle. We can now use AI to create music like this, and it's so easy and fast. The beauty about all this is that it's royalty free. You can use it as your own and upload it onto your own YouTube channel. Let's get started. There are two popular tools that you can use to create AI music for free. The first one is Suno AI and the second one is Audio AI. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Suno, but you can try out Audio as well and let me know your experience in the comment section below. Head over to Suno AI and you can create an account if you do not have one. And once you've created your free account, you're going to come over here to your left and you're going to click on Create. Right inside this description box, you can put in your prompt to describe to Suno what kind of music you want to create. So I'm going to type in this short prompt right inside this description box. Relaxing piano music with ocean waves in the sunset is perfect for relaxing without lyrics. And I'm also going to toggle on instrumental to ensure that my music does not have words when Suno generates the music. So I'm going to click on Create. Let's give Suno a few minutes for it to generate the music for us. And we've got two different results here. Let me play the first one so that you can get to hear how it sounds. Let's listen into the second one. Doesn't that sound similar to what we just saw from our example that was getting millions of views? You can also use Suno to create music with lyrics. If you'd want to learn more on how to do that, you can check out this video in the link up here. Once you're happy with any of the pieces of music that Suno was able to generate for you, you can just select the one that you'd want to use for your video. So I like this second one way better than the first one. And you're going to come down here and you're going to click on the three dots, these three dots here, and you're going to click on download and you will select audio. And that piece of music has now been downloaded for me. If you need inspiration on the type of videos that you can create, a good idea is to go to the channel that is creating similar videos and you can check out the kind of video sounds that they're creating. You can see that they have relaxing piano music. They also have relaxing nature sounds, dreamy sleep music, and you can see that these videos are getting millions of views. You can just create something similar to this using Suno and upload it onto your YouTube channel. The next step is to create a video screen that shows in the background while this music is playing on YouTube. Now, there are three ways that you can do that. The first one is to use a tool called Pexels. So just head over to pexels.com and you can search for the type of video that you'd want to create. So I'm going to type in nature and right on this drop down, I'm going to select videos. And you can see that it has generated for me 187,000 nature videos. Let's check out some of them and preview this one here. You can see that you can download them for free. Always ensure that the video is tagged as free to use. If you use royalty videos, you may have to pay the creator or else you're going to have trouble with YouTube. It's really essential that you use videos that are tagged as free to use. Once you find the video that you like, just click on free download and you will have this video downloaded onto your account. You can download as many free videos as you'd want so that you can have a mix of different videos. Let me check on this other one here. And again, always ensure that it's free to use. I'm going to download it as well. Just get as creative as you'd want. The second way of creating these videos is using Canva. Once you're on Canva, you can come over here and click on create a design and then select video. On your left, you're going to click on elements and you can search for nature or anything else that you'd want to search for, and then click on videos. You can see a number of nature videos that you can use for your video. Scroll through the various videos that Canva has provided for you. So we can select one like this one. If you like it, you can go ahead and use it for your video. You can also create these videos using AI. Examples of AI tools that you can use to generate these kinds of videos include Minimax. Once you're on Minimax, you're going to log in. So click on login and it's going to take you to a home page like this one here. Inside this description box, you can type in a prompt that this AI tool can use to generate for you your video. I'm going to type in this simple prompt: nature background with ocean waves in the sunset. And I'm going to click on this icon here to generate my video. It takes a bit of time for this tool to generate for you your video. We can head over to Luma Labs as Minimax continues generating for us our video. Once you're on Luma Labs, you're going to click on try now and you can sign in with your Google account. In this description box again, I'm going to type in a simple prompt and I'm going to click on generate. This is the generation that I have just gotten from Luma. You can preview it. I think it looks good. You can also extend the length of this video. So this current one is about 5 seconds, but you can extend it and make it longer. Once you're good, you can download it. You're going to click on this download button here and your video will be downloaded. Now that you have our videos together with the audio from Suno, it's time to combine them to form our Loop YouTube video. You can use any video editor to do this. I'm going to use Canva for this tutorial because it's so easy to use and it's free. So head over to canva.com and once you're on Canva, you're going to click on create a design, select video, then come over to your left and you're going to click on uploads and you're going to upload the files that you have just gotten from Suno together with videos from Pixels. Once you have uploaded your video and audio, you're going to drag your video onto your Canva. We can start with this one here and we are going to adjust it, ensuring that it fits the entire Canva. From here, we are going to come over here to audio and we're going to drag our music and we're going to drop it just below the video. From here, I can come over here and I'm going to add a page and I can upload the same video onto this next page if I would want to use the same video for the entire 20 seconds. Alternatively, I can change the video. So I can come over here and I can drag another video that I got from Pixels and I'm going to adjust it so that it fits the entire Canva. For this next one, I'm going to use a video from Canva. So I'm going to search for a nature video. I'm going to select videos. I can have this one here. Let's add another one and we can reduce the time. We can add another one and I'm going to just pull it, ensuring that it covers the entire Canva. I will go ahead and generate the remaining scenes using videos from Canva. But remember, you can also use the videos that you just downloaded from Pixels. Finally, I'm going to add some sound effects. On my left, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on audio and I'm going to search for ocean waves. Let's listen into this first one here. I think it's good. I'm going to drag it and I'm going to drop it just below our audio. We can also add some transitions. So just hover in between the two scenes, then click on add transition and you'd want to have the scenes dissolving to the next scene. I'm going to reduce the duration to about 0.3 seconds and I'm going to apply between all the pages. Before we check on the final creation, I'm going to reduce the volume of the sound effect. So I'm going to select it and I'm going to come over up here and I'm going to click on this volume icon and I'm going to reduce the volume to about 45. So let's listen in. Once you're good, you can just download your video, click on share and then click on download and download it as an MP4 video. Click on download and that is it. In a matter of minutes, you've got a music video and you can just create one of these videos every single day, upload them onto YouTube and it's going to get tens of thousands of views, sometimes even millions of views. It's really that simple. I hope you will give this idea a try and let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video, and please make sure you like and subscribe if you want to learn more about AI and animations. Until next time, God bless.